So welcome you all to the next live sessions. Last class we have discussed till question number 35 and we are continuing question number 36 onwards. Okay, here is a question. A variable condenser is permanently connected to a 100-volt battery. Okay, if the capacity is changed from 2 microfarad to 10 microfarad, then the change in energy is equal to condenser capacitor same aanu, there is no difference. Condenser equal to capacitor. Capacitor another name, it is known as the another name of condenser is known as capacitor. Okay, so there are no difference between condenser and capacitor. What the question is given, a condenser which is connected to a condenser which is connected, which is a variable condenser is permanently connected to a 100-volt battery. Okay, the capacitance is changed from where to where? Capacitance is changed from 2 microfarad to 10 microfarad. So first we are going to represent this as a diagram. So we have a condenser, which means we have a capacitor. Capacitor, the first value, it is 2 microfarad and it is connected with a battery source. The battery connected, that is 100 volt. This is the first case. Then it is changed to 10 microfarad replace it. But battery is what? Battery will be the same. Previously the battery and it is 100 volt. But capacitance in the value mattum change. It is changed from 2 microfarad to 10 microfarad. Question is asking, then the change in energy is equal to capacitor or battery or capacitance. What is the energy? What is the energy? I say this is the initial energy. It is half CV square. Okay, and this I say like final energy. Here also I can apply half CV square. So in both cases, what is different? Voltage will be the same. So the energy difference is equal to, if a first case U initial, U final. Initial capacitance 2 microfarad, voltage 100. Second case capacitor 10 microfarad, voltage 100. Voltage same, capacitance is only different. For first case I am giving C1, second case I am giving C2. So the change in energy means delta U. Okay, find highest value minus lowest value, change in energy. So highest value means highest capacitance. So because in two cases voltage will be the same. Voltage in two cases same, only the capacitance will be different. And capacitance is highest for 10 microfarad. So 10 microfarad the value first value. So 1 by 2 C2 V square minus 1 by 2 C1 V square. So 1 by 2 V square common, what will get? C2 minus of C1. We'll get this one. Now we'll continue. We'll substitute the values over will be here. 1 by 2 V square means 100 square. C2 minus C1. C2 is 10 microfarad. C1 is 2 microfarad. Convert into farad. So 10 power minus 6 will come. 10 power minus 6. So how much will come? So 10 minus half CV square. So capacitance in the value. So 100 square divided by 2, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, 8 to 8 by 2, 4. And this will come 4 into the 100 square, 10 power 4. 10 power 4, 10 power 6. So easy line. So let's calculate with the necessary step itself. Okay. So what it's coming? Now we have 1 by 2. 10 power 100 raised to 100 square means 10,000, but 10 power 4 into 8 into 10 power minus 6. So how much the answer is coming? 4 into, so 10 no 8 to cancel 4 no 4 into 10 power 4 on 10 power minus 6 on, so it become 10 power minus 2 energy the unit joule. So answer equal to 4 into 10 power minus 2 joule. Let's have a look into the option. 4 options are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 is the right answer for this question. Is it clear for everybody? Okay. Silence, take it as positive. If anybody have any doubt, please tell me. I'll move to the next question. Question number 37. In the figure, this kind of model of question, whatever it is given in the diagram, it is very, very important, because the same model of question, it's many times repeatedly came both for JEE entrance examination as well as for the NEET examination. This kind of model of question, circuit diagram may be different, but this concept, this idea based questions are a lot of time up there for both for NEET and JEE. So you can easily score the mark if you are very thorough with the concept. So listen these questions with utmost attention. In the figure, a potential of 1200 volt is given to a point A, and point B is earthed. What is the potential at the point P? One question. P in a point in voltage. We need to find out the voltage at the point P. Okay, listen very carefully. Again, I'm saying this model of question is very important for all the entrance examination. Okay, so a circuit diagram is given. This is a capacitive circuit, only capacitance is present will be there. So once you get the circuit, first we need to modify a little bit of information over here. What it is given, we need to redraw the circuit. Redraw the circuit means here itself I am redrawing. Question is given 1200 volt connected at the point A, and B is earthed, B ground on. So 1200 volt A koduthu, B ground on. Ground means you can consider like a negative terminal of the battery. B side il kodukkunnathu 1200 on. So instead of giving the diagram like this, they told it is 1200 at A. 1200 at A means A with respect to B is, B in the voltage is 0 on, A in the voltage 1200 voltage on. Okay, plus 1200 voltage means A terminal is positive. Adana ide meaning, plus kodukunna ide meaning. So this is clear. Now what I want to find out, I want to find out voltage at the point P. Voltage at the point P. Voltage at the point P means, if I'm asking you one question, what is the voltage at the point A? Voltage at the point A is 1200. From where you are calculating this 1200? 1200 is the voltage at the point A with respect to the point B. With respect to the point B. From the B, it is 1200 because B is grounded. Okay, for example, let me take a very fundamental examples. Suppose if you have drawing a graph like this one. Now I am saying like y-axis, it is 2 meter away from y-axis. You will say this is 1 meter and this is 2 meter. So from where you are taking? You are taking from the origin 0, 0. So 0 is the reference point. From there it is 2 meter height. So similarly, in case of a battery also, ground is the reference starting point. With respect to ground, what is the voltage? Now the question over here, what is the voltage at the point P means? Voltage at the point P is equal to voltage at the point P with respect to ground. That's the meaning. Okay. So we will solve these questions. Okay. We'll say, so the point P we need to find out. So for that, what I'm going to do means I'm going to redraw the circuit. Redraw the circuit means I'm going to find out the equivalent capacitance of the 4 microfarad and 2 microfarad capacitor. So we will redraw the circuit once again, and here we have the 3 microfarad. If 4 microfarad and 2 microfarad capacitance on it. These two are parallel connection. And the capacitor parallel, what will be the equivalent capacitance? C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2. Appa rendu capacitor 4 um 2 kude add cheyum, totally we'll get it as 6. Then now it is connected with a battery of 1200 volt. Idana ipo irikana circuit diagram. Unit marking 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad, 1200 volt. This is the equivalent circuit. This circuit we are redrawn like this. Okay, now what is the question? I need to find out the voltage at the point P. P and the point is located where? The point P is located here. The point P is located. So this is a point P. So the voltage at the point P means with respect to ground. This is a terminal A and this is a terminal B. I know B is grounded. So the voltage from P to ground, P to ground, P to ground, this voltage I have to find out. So the voltage from P to ground means I can say voltage at the P point is equal to voltage at the point P to B. P to B, B is earth. Okay, B to B, P to B, P in the B varekulla voltage. Okay, so this can be written as VP minus VB. VP is the voltage which you need to find out. VB is 0 and this is equal to the voltage at P. Okay, now voltage at the point P, I am again writing in another form. Voltage at the point P is equal to voltage across 6 microfarad capacitor. It is not 3 microfarad capacitor. Why? Because if P in the ground load, if I am drawing one line, then how the line will go? The line will go through the 6 microfarad capacitor. So P voltage equal to with respect to ground means P pass in a point through 6 microfarad. 3 looda pass adu reach 1200. If the point P is passing through 3 microfarad. But the question is voltage at the point P means voltage at the point P with respect to ground. Ground connection 6 microfarad. So we need to find out voltage at this 6 microfarad capacitor. Okay, now this is a series connection. Now you know 6 microfarad, 3 microfarad. It is series connection. 1200 volt battery will deliver a charge called Q. We are going to find out the charge called Q. Q is equal to what? CV. Now C is there are two capacitance will be here. 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad. It is in what connection? Series connection. So how we find the equivalent? C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2, series connection, into the voltage B. C1 C2. 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. Microfarad numerator denominator. So okay, so we'll see into voltage. Voltage is how much? 1200. So what we'll get will be here 3 into 6 18. 18 divided by 9 2. So 2 into 1200. Numerator multiplication on denominator addition on. So one more 10 power minus 6 will be there. Oops. Sorry. Lost. Yeah. Okay. So one more 10 power minus 6 will be there. 10 power minus 6 will be there with us. Minus 6. Because numerator is 3 into 10 power minus 6 on 6 into 10 power minus 6 verum 2 microfarad on SI unit to convert. So in denominator we have only 1 10 power minus 6. Numerator 2 10 power minus 6 ഉണ്ട് multiplication ആണ്. Denominator 1 10 power minus 6. അപ്പോൾ 2 10 power minus 6 ഉം 1 10 power minus 6 ഉം cancel ആയിനാ balance 1 10 power minus 6. So this is equal to 2400 into 10 power minus 6. 2400 into 10 power minus 6. ഇതാണ് ഇതിലുള്ള charge. This is the total charge which is flowing through the complete circuit. This charge is passing through 3 microfarad. Same charge is passing through the 6 microfarad. Now what we need to be find out? Voltage at the 6 microfarad. So I am writing charge at 6 microfarad capacitor equal to capacitance of the 6 microfarad is equal to voltage at the 6 microfarad. So we want to find out voltage at 6 microfarad capacitor, which is equal to voltage at P, which is equal to Q6 divided by C6. What is Q6? Q6 means charge passing through 6 microfarad. That is equal to our Q only. Same charge is passing through the 3 microfarad and it is going through 6 microfarad and it is circulating in this circuit. So this is nothing but our Q only divided by C6. What is Q? Q already we calculated 2400 into 10 power minus 6 whole divided by 6 microfarad capacitance. So 6 into 10 power minus 6. Then to cancel 6 with the 4 cancel 4. So answer equal to 400 volt. So answer equal to 400 volt. Okay, so 400 volt is matches with option 3. Option 3 is the right answer. Okay, so voltage at the point P is equal to voltage at the point P with respect to ground. That's the meaning. So if 4 microfarad and 2 microfarad equal the capacitance P500 and equal the capacitance the parallel connection. So C1 plus C2 in a circuit we redrawn is equal to 6 microfarad capacitance we have redrawn. VP voltage at the point, because this is the point P. Voltage at the point P with respect to ground means voltage across the 6 microfarad capacitor. 6 microfarad capacitor across the voltage contribution. So we know the formula Q is equal to CV. Voltage contribution V is equal to Q by C. Charge contribution. So we first find out the charge flowing through the capacitor 6 microfarad capacitor. Then we divided with the capacitor value which is given in the diagram 6 microfarad. Then we got the voltage. So V6 is equal to VP, which is equal to Q6 by C6. Q6 is current charge passing through the 6 microfarad capacitor, which is equal to the total charge. Because ഈ Q6 ലൂടെ പോകുന്ന അതേ ചാർജ് ആണ് Q3 ലൂടെയും പോകുന്നത് 3 microfarad ലൂടെ also the same charge which is flowing through the 3 microfarad capacitor also. But capacitance value will be different, hence 400 voltage is the voltage across the point P. Okay, 400 voltage on across the point P. Now I can say one more information to you and additional informations. Now I know this is a 3 microfarad capacitance and this is a 6 microfarad capacitance. This is what is our previous diagram. Same diagram which is drawing here, and this is connected with how much is the voltage over will be here. This is 1200 volt. I got the voltage at the point here. The voltage at the point here, this point is called VP. I told VP is actually equal to the voltage across the 6 microfarad capacitor. This is called V6. If 6 microfarad across the voltage is how much? 400 volt. And the voltage across the 3 microfarad capacitor is how much? Total is 1200. So what will be the balance will become or will be here? 800 volt. So 800 plus 400 equal to 1200 will come. Correct? So more capacitance. See, capacitance value 6 microfarad. But 6 microfarad capacitor, what will get? Will get less voltage. This is 3 microfarad capacitor. So 3 microfarad means less capacitance, more voltage. More capacitance, less voltage. The inverse relation. So this is against our resistance concept. Resistance higher, we know according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR means more resistance, more voltage. Okay, but we know the relations. V is equal to Q by C. So more V means less C. This is the relation. Resistance and capacitance are inverse things. Series combination of resistance is R1 plus R2. Series combination of capacitance C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So the capacitance in a reverse on resistance. Resistance higher on the voltage higher, but capacitance is direct opposite. Capacitance lesser on the voltage higher because V is directly proportional to 1 by C. I can say V is inversely proportional to C. But in case of resistance, voltages is directly proportional to resistance. More resistance for the same current, more resistance means more voltage. But more capacitance means less voltage. Near reverse on. More resistance, more voltage. More capacitance, less voltage. Understood? Any doubt for anybody this question? Any doubt, anybody? No, yes, no, 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 yes, 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 no. No response. All of you understood, huh? Because this is highly important. This is highly important. You are attending our BQT, right? In the last time, brainless quiz test. Questions. It's very important. So you can score this score there. There also NEET, jail എല്ലാം important. So അതിലെല്ലാം വരുന്ന അതേ pattern, അതേ level ആണ് BQT ലും കേൾക്കുന്നത്. Is it clear for everybody? No, yes, no, no, nothing. Completely silent. I don't know whether you understood or not. If you're keeping silent, I will take it as yes, then I will go to the next one. Okay. Okay, chats are coming. Instead of chat, you can also tell me. Understood, sir. Okay, thanks you. At least you you can unmute your mic and you can say me. Okay, so that will help me. Okay, let's move to the next question then. So this is over. 38th question. Equivalent capacitance between A and B. Anybody can tell me the answer from your group? Equivalent capacitance between A and B. Can somebody tell me the answer for this one quickly? It's a very simple question. That question, it's a very simple question. Somebody will tell me, or I will tell. Better I will tell, right? This is a very simple question. So first 1 microfarad and this 1 microfarad capacitance, what connection? This is parallel connection. This 1 microfarad, what connection? Parallel connection. Now the equivalent circuit become first one parallel, so we'll get 2 microfarad capacitance. We'll get a 2 microfarad capacitance. Then on the middle, we have a 1 microfarad capacitance. On the middle, we have a 1 microfarad capacitance in the middle. Okay, then we have again this 1 and 1 will combine to give another 2 microfarad capacitance. Now the capacitance between A and B. So how much will be? So 3 capacitance are in what connection? Series connection. So I will find 1 by C equivalent equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now 1 by 2 means what? Half. So E half half is equal to 1. In a balance center 1. So what we'll get? We'll get 2. So 1 by C equivalent equal to 2. Correct? 1 by C equivalent is equal to 2. So 1 by C equivalent is equal to 2 means what will be the reverse will come. So C equivalent equal to reverse 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. Never answer 2. 2 microfarad is not the correct answer. 0.5 microfarad is the correct answer. And a 2 on the immediate 2 answer is a high chance, and that's what option is there to make you to get the wrong answer. So that is the brilliance of the examiner. Examiner will do such things to get the quick answer from your side. Okay, it's not 2 microfarad and it is 1 by 2, and which is 0.5 microfarad is the answer. All of you got the answer? I hope it's a very simple, very simple question. Clear? Yes, no. If you want, you can note down. Please do that as well. Otherwise, this is like a movie. Okay, I'm playing the movie and you are hearing the movie. It's not like that. Okay, I hope you understood till question number 38.